This video shows how you can create and manage translated variants of your templates with the XperiDo Template Design Add-in for Microsoft Word. If you're operating in a multilingual environment, this feature saves time for your template designers, but also allows for automatic selection of the correct output language when your end users generate their documents. In the XperiDo ribbon at the top of the screen, you can see there's a language section, where you can manage translations for the template that you're editing. We are currently editing the English version of this template, which is why it says English. But via the drop-down menu, you can open the template for another language. The two options here are Dutch and French, because this XperiDo project has been set up for Dutch, French and English. You can add languages to your project via the server settings. Let's open a template for Dutch, and as you can see, this opens up the Dutch version of the template with a blank canvas. You can now either start to build the Dutch variant from scratch, or you can copy the content from another language and start from there. So let's go ahead and copy the English content. So the only thing you need to do now is translate the text. Let's quickly do a little bit here. Now the idea is obviously that you translate the full document, but that's all you need to do because your mappings, your conditions, your loops, your groups, they're already there. Now you can also instruct XperiDo to automatically pick the correct output language based on a value of a field in the dataset. You do that via the Auto Settings dialog, where you can enable automatic language selection for this template and select the field you want to use as a language selection parameter. Let's pick the account's country of residence here. It could be a preferred language field, a province field, or any other field really. After you've selected the field, you can build a reference table that translates possible field values into the corresponding output language. So let's add United Kingdom here and link that value to the English variant, and let's also add the Netherlands and link that value to Dutch. With this setting in place, the Dutch version of this template will automatically be used for letters you send to customers in the Netherlands, and the English variant will be used for your customers in the UK. All other values will default to the project's default language, which can be set in the XperiDo server configurations.